right, let's export something to Lottie and integrate that into an actual iOS project. So here's our animation. Looks like this. Okay, very simple. What we are going to do is we're going to create a new Lottie project from scratch, and we're going to integrate this into our project. Okay, let's open xcode. We're going to create a new xcode project. Single view app, iOS. Let's call it Flow Lottie. Save that to the desktop. And we don't need that really anymore. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the CocoaPods app. We'll say File, New Project from Xcode. There's our folder on the desktop. There's our project. Okay, we're just going to add pod Lottie iOS version 3.1, the latest one, and we're going to hit install. And there our installation is done. So let's close this, quit the CocoaPods app. Okay, we don't have it open anymore. Then let's go to our desktop. Open the newly created workspace. Close that. There we go. Let's just run it. Okay, let's press Command-Shift-E. Let's choose that animation. We're going to choose Lottie. We're going to export. We're going to open the folder now that it's created. And here we have a few files. If you double click, you can see your animation running, and this is using Lottie on the web. You can even go and view that file if you really wanted to go and read all that matrixy stuff. This is your JSON file. It's 87 kilobytes, and here is the same thing minified, which is 12 kilobytes. So we're going to use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that file into my xcode project, just like that. I know from Flow that this is going to be 345 by 240. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my storyboard, a UI view. $345, $240. I'm going to center it. I'm going to add those two constraints. I'm going to add constraints for width and height. And then I'm going to change its type to and make an animation view from the Lottie module. Then just need a little bit more space. We're going to go like this. We're going to go to the view controller, create another view, go find that main.storyboard. And then we're going to drag a reference to that view right here. Call it animation view. And we're going to import Lottie. Now, if I hit B, build that, everything should be pretty fine. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create the animation. Using the name of the file. I'm just going to grab that, copy it. You just need that. You even need to include the min if it's got a min on it. Animation view. That animation equals animation. And then when the view appears, going to play it. And then let's hit run. Let's see how that works. There you go. There's your animation in Lottie. You want that to loop? Add a repeat to it, and you're good to go.